This is good.
Really good. Zara, I thought you went with your brother to Amelu community this afternoon.
Amelu community? Where is Amelu community? I don't know the place you're talking about.
There's this particular lady he visits all the time. Do you have an idea who she is?
Lady Amelu. My brother has not mentioned the name Maiden to me. No, he hasn't.
Really?
Yes. In fact, I even came here to know how you're preparing for your traditional marriage. You know it's 4 days away.
Well, for me, I'm so ready. I don't know about your brother.
Come on, my brother is very ready. In fact, my girl, he has a surprise for you on that day.
Surprise?
Sorry, I'm not supposed to tell you. It is meant to be a secret. I'm sorry, just forget it.
Sarah. Yes. Does your brother think good about me?
Oh, Lucy. Come on, girl. Yes. My brother likes you. It's just that, Lucy, your problem is you misunderstand him all the time. You do. But you see, my brother, he loves you so much. Relax, girl. Okay?
I'm surprised to hear this.
Relax. He loves you. Okay? Cheer up.
Excuse me.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's haunted now. I think we're very risky. Very risky. She's a drug addict.
Talk, I can hear you. What did you say? Emeka, don't even tell me that rubbish. What are you saying? You're using amateurs. That's why you can't deliver. Simple job. See, Emeka, don't even mess this job up. Don't even try it. Hello? Emeka should not dare me. You should not even try me. I'll call you back.
So Lucy is into her drugs.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict.
This must be Nicola's phone. Yes, this is Nicola's phone.
Lucy, opposite any culture. Gini beware. On the man is Lucy, opposite any culture. Gini beware. On the man is Lucy. She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's haunted. Very risky.
Where is she?
Lucy. Sorry, I went to use the restroom. Hope all is well. I mean, the call you went to receive outside.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, everything is fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Everything is fine. You were telling me how much your brother loves me.
Yes.
Yes, continue with that.
Yes, of course. You see, Lucy, he really loves you. Just that, he's always pissed off each time you quarrel with him. Yes.
But he's always getting on my nerves. He thinks I'm crazy, but I'm not.
I understand, girl. Don't worry. I am going to talk to him when I get home, okay? Relax.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much for telling me this.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Listen, I have to go now. Don't worry, I'll come back later.
Are you leaving immediately?
Yes, I am, but trust me, girl. I'll come with my brother tomorrow.
Oh, you will?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright. I'll see you tomorrow.
You know what? Just tell your brother I love him. This is when he loves me. Tell him I love him so much. Bye bye.
Where are you? Yes, I'm done. I have the phone now. And it's something that might interest you. Okay, fine. I'm coming. I'm coming to meet you. I'm coming. This is the video I recorded. Yeah, these are wrong.
What? She's on hard drugs?
Yes. I couldn't believe it myself.
Wow, Zara. This is enough reason to deal with Lucy.
She would deny it. I wish I recorded it while she was taking it. It would have been better. I also found this in her room.
What? Can you imagine the kind of woman my parents has been forcing me to marry?
You can see for yourself.
This girl tastes cocaine. Sarah, this is it. This is it.
Lucy, 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 Lucy.
Who took the phone I left inside this drawer?
Lucy.
One of my stuffs is also missing. Someone entered this room. Who could that be? Where is she?
Lucy. Sorry, I went to use the restroom. Hope all is well. I mean, the call you went to receive outside.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, everything is fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Everything is fine. You were telling me how much your brother loves me.
Yes.
Yes, continue with that.
Yes, of course. You see, Lucy, he really loves you. Just that, he's always pissed off each time you quarrel with him. Yes.
But he's always getting on my nerves. He thinks I'm crazy, but I'm not.
I understand, girl. Don't worry. I am going to talk to him when I get home, okay? Relax.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much for telling me this.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Listen, I have to go now. Don't worry, I'll come back later.
Are you leaving immediately?
Yes, I am, but trust me, girl. I'll come with my brother tomorrow.
Oh, you will?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright. I'll see you tomorrow.
You know what? Just tell your brother I love him. This is when he loves me. Tell him I love him so much. Bye-bye. The expression on her face showed that she was up to something. She came here on a mission and she accomplished it. But why did she take my stuff? Sarah. Sarah. She's not picking. Why is she not picking? Sarah. Why is she not picking up? You messed with the wrong person.
Good afternoon, Lucy. Surprised to see me?
What are you doing here?
Lucy, I came to thank you for sending those kidnappers after me. And you made me believe Udona was behind it, right?
Who gave her the information?
Another shock, isn't it?
I don't know what you're talking about. Now, take your beauty self and get out of my father's compound.
Do you recognize this? I recovered it. Now do not ask me how I did it. Lucy, you will continue to fail until there is nothing left in you. Have a good day, girlfriend.
How did she get the phone? Could it be that Zara took the phone to her? Why? Zara, you are now my #1 enemy. I will crush you. I will pay you a surprise visit.
She's a drug addict. She's a drug addict. She's haunted by. I think we're very risky. Very risky. She's a drug addict.
Take a look at this rubbish material. So I've done several warnings to you. You still went ahead with this?
Dad, must you intrude into my privacy? I'm a grown-up woman, for goodness sake, and I'm old enough to take decisions about my life.
One more word from you, and I will slap the devil out of your eyes. Have you gone enough?
I am not here to argue with you. All I'm saying is that you have no right to enter my room in my absence. If you were in America, I would have sued you for burglary.
I'm so disappointed in you. Look at you. Look at the kind of life you're living. Lucy, what have I not done as a father to make you a responsible citizen of this society? Look at your life. I know how much you spend on this every day.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
No, you are not sorry. Go ahead. I will not kill myself because I have you as an only child. Suit yourself. But know it, that you will face the consequences alone. Now, get out of my presence.
Daddy, can I have it?
Drop it. I said drop it. Get out of my presence. Lucy. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. My only child.
I have an appointment to tell Collie.
Collie?
Yeah.
For what?
Well, I spoke to her last night and she insisted on her condition. So I want to meet her.
Wait, I want to understand. Are you planning to carry out the conditions? Huh?
Well, baby sis, you know how these things works. I just want to sing this whole thing, okay? I just want to know exactly what to do.
Then I'm coming with you.
No, don't worry, baby sister. I'll go alone. Alright?
Instead of you going there to belittle yourself, why not show Father the little evidence we have?
Don't worry. I will be fine. I promise.
I did not tell you because you came back late last night.
Chepao, sister. So somebody came to this house seeking for Masinachuku's hand in marriage since yesterday! And you are just telling me now?
Masachi, did you hear what I said?
I heard you.
When did you come back last night?
Sister, it does not matter when I came back. Whether I came back by 12 midnight, 2 a.m. You should have told me that same night now.
Okay, I just told you. After all, night and morning, there's no more difference.
Mba, fana ba brofu. Fabrofu. It's not the same. You are the one who is training Masinachiku out. In fact, you are the one engineering Masinachiku to disrespect me in this house. You are the one telling her that now.
How does my daughter come into this matter? Eh?
Obatalo very, very well. She imitates everything you do in this house. Everything you do in this house, she imitates it. Okay, for instance, look at somebody came here yesterday seeking for her hand in marriage. Yesterday, and you are telling me now. Have you seen it now? Without even greeting uncle, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Have you seen it now?
Bia. Osoji, I've had enough of your insults. I don't want it anymore.
Sister, you and your daughter are my problems in this house. Two of you are my problems in this house now. Two of you, Bunsobu,
Osoji, I've had enough of these insults. I've said it before. Abalism na this house.
This attack must end now. It must end. It will end. It will end. I'm from. Am I her father? I'm not her father. I'm not even interested, self.
Because
I am going. This matter is ended. I am not interested. I am not her father.
No.
Yes.
Obigo. Nonsense.
What a small world.
Masinachi, why are you crying? Must you cry over every little thing? Eh?
Mama, why does he hate me this much? He hates everything about me. Why? Does he want me to run away from here?
No, you will not run away. It's okay.
It doesn't like me. I'm beginning to get scared. I feel that someday he could harm me.
No, he will never do such a thing. Eh? Anyway, thank God that very soon you will be living here to your husband's house. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Why is he so wicked against this blood? Why? I keep wondering.
You know he's a drunk. Him and the Angroma, they say whatever they like. Don't take him serious. Oh?
Mama, I swear. One day I will insult him.
Oh no.
I will insult him.
I did not raise you that way.
Why is he so wicked? Why? He hates everything about me.
Don't cry.
Where are they?
In the living room. Where are those things?
I have it here.
Have you seen the video I sent to you?
Oh yes, I have.
Okay, please, be bold enough, okay?
Sure. I know it will be hard to convince them, especially my father. But I'll stand on whatever I told them tonight.
This substance looks like cocaine. Son, whose house is this?
Lucy's bedroom.
Lucy's bedroom.
Yes, Father. That's not all. Take a look at this too.
Cocaine? What's really going on?
Well, Father, you see, I've been working on this for a very long time just to prove a point to you. I want you to see the kind of woman you've been pressurizing your son to marry. A drug addict.
Odonna, don't even go there. So this is the game you and your sister have been plotting?
Excuse me?
Don't excuse me! Your Majesty, your son Odonna and Sarah have been plotting this for a very long time. And each time I ask them, they keep lying to me. Sarah never wanted Odonna here to marry Lucy.
Mother, what are you saying? Dad, I'm telling you the truth. Lucy is a drug addict. You can make investigations. Until you're done with your investigations, I will not have anything to do with Lucy.
Well, for your information, I am not going to conduct any investigation. The dead for your traditional marriage remains sacrosanct.
What? Father, you think this is a joke? I am telling you the truth. Lucy is a drug addict.
Odonna has not called me, and tomorrow is the traditional marriage. Has he decided to marry Lucy? No. I know he cannot do that. What do I do now? Should I call him? No. He would think I'm begging him. Let me just wait. He has only this night, which means he might come back to me before night falls.
This love will go by heart, not by face, yeah. This love will go by heart, Aqua be gonna kill. Obi sari sari, oh yeah, be a jam. Obi sari sari, oh yeah, well, be you understand me? Never lose yourself. We can
Mama, what is it?
He called.
Who?
Odonna.
Is that why you're worried? Or did he say anything bad to you?
No, he didn't.
So what's the problem?
He said he's coming to our house and that he's going to spend the night here.
Are you sure you heard him right?
I heard him loud and clear.
Well, go and clean your room. Wash your bed sheets, okay? Then dust everywhere. Come on.
Mom, I'm worried.
Go now. Go. Gabanu, onaga ko onye nkwu na-egbu. Odonna wants to spend the night in our house. I hope all is well.
This love I got blind.
Chief, this is strange. Where could the prince be? Since yesterday afternoon. Don't you think that something is so? Something is so. His phone is still switched off till now. The worst is that nobody knows his whereabouts.
But the queen is saying that Zara knows.
Zara said she do not know his whereabouts. Very soon, our people will start coming for the traditional marriage.
Oh, and that means shame. Very shameful.
It is indeed shameful.
I feel like going home now. Go and rest at my home. I'm tired of all this.
Oh, Ichekemeze, there is no need going home. We need to sit and wait and see the end. Please, let us go inside. Let us go back inside. Come with me.
Open that.
Open the gate. Oh no.
Father ought to have been back from the palace by now. What's keeping him? Our people are waiting outside. Today is supposed to be the happiest day of my life. Father! I didn't know you were back. What's happening? Father, what happened? Talk to me, what happened?
The prince is nowhere to be found.
What?
He left the palaces yesterday.
Father, tell me it's not true.
Unfortunately, it is the truth, and that's why all his phones have been put off.
No, this is not happening to me. No.
Lucy! 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 Wake up! Wake up! I'm finished. I'm finished! My only daughter. I should not have told her. Joseph! Who is there? Oh! Lucy!
Martin, we have to talk. Martin.
What is it? Do you want to put me into trouble? What is it? My mother is around.
I don't care. I'm here to see, not your mother.
Ah, you don't care?
Yes, Mama.
That's so. You don't care? Yeah? Okay, Naka. Have I not warned you not to come to this house?
Mama, I am too old to be treated anyhow. So, Mama, Marcia is my fiancée. You are planning to give her out to another man just because of money. Mama, it's not fair now. What are you doing?
Chelo, let me get something right. Masi is your fiancé.
Yes, Mama.
Approved by who?
By us.
Okay, say about what? The fiancé. Say about what, sir?
Oh, I'm not going anywhere.
You see?
I will not be alive to see another man marry Marcy. It will not happen.
No problem. Just get ready to die. Eh? Say about what, sir? You're not going anywhere. Okay. Ne, banime. Ne, one. Master, banime. Ba.
Go inside.
Eh, she's staying here. Get inside. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere. Marcy is my wife. And no man will take her away from me.
Okay. Since you want to stay. Can you say hello? Masinachi?
Ma!
Get me a broom. Nanu. Nyamaza. Neza, sabezi. Sweep.
Come on, sweep.
Be understanding. Never lose yourself. Be kind, be loved. Makanakwa be kanaja. Makanakwa be kanaja. This love I got up line. Makabura feature this love.
Should she enter here?
This love I got up line. Abura feel God.
Peek, peek, peek. Who is she calling? Hello, Masi.
This life.
Are you saying he'd not come to your place? And his phone is switched off. It's okay, don't worry. I'll get back to you. Yes, I'll get back to you. Yes.
When God starts his work, we get confused. It might not be but there you confusing and be kind, be loved. Makanakwa be kanaja. Makanakwa be kanaja. This love I got up line. Makabura feature look on this love I got up line. Abura kisi where it goes.
Who's there?
Remove the blindfold.
What are you doing here?
Well, I came to see you.
How did you know I'm here?
I'm sorry for the inconveniences. I contracted those men to pick you up.
Oh. You're part of this.
Never mind, Udona. My aim was to make sure that the traditional marriage did not hold. I mean, that beast is not meant for you, Udona.
Is that enough reason to take laws into your hands? You tied me up here because of traditional marriage. Huh? Is that enough reason to kidnap me?
I am sorry.
You know why I like you? You have some kind of stupid audacity. You are damned to this spirit. And I swear that will lead you to shame. If you know what is good for you now, take me out of here. Now.
But then you should even thank me for coming up with this.
I said, take me out of here now.
I'm sorry, but I can't.
Udonna, we need to talk.
I have no business with you.
Udonna, I did what I did for your sake. I was supposed to send you the proof on the eve of your traditional marriage day, but I couldn't find my phone. So I felt the best option was for me to pick you up and keep you here. That way the traditional marriage will be cancelled. I mean, you should even appreciate me for that.
Appreciate you for tying me up. What nonsense are you saying?
I have found my phone. It fell under my bed and it was on silent, but now I have it. Look, everything you need to know is in here.
I don't need your phone!
If you're still concerned about the condition I gave you, well, forget about it. I'm no longer interested. Watch this video, Luna. Everything you need to know is in here. Udonna. This is another one.
Thank you.
Now he's not here. Where will he be?
I don't know. When we waited for him and we didn't see him, we thought he had changed his mind.
My worry started when I couldn't reach him on the phone.
My father has been on my neck. He said I know his whereabouts.
Zara. So this is where you hid Udonna.
Lucy, you have no right to be here. Now get out!
Really?
Yes.
I'm not going anywhere. I must see Udonna. Please, Udonna is not here. Oh. You must be the lady he visits often. Please, who are you? Nice question. I'm Udonna's fiancé.
Oh, please. Shut up. You seem... Never mind. Never mind. See this young lady there.
Zara. Don't dare me.
What will you do?
Don't dare me.
What will you do?
I will crush you.
Yeah? As long as
I told Mama.
you just drove into my compound without greeting anybody. You started shouting. Eh?
Oh, please. Don't insult me. Don't talk to me that way. You are sick.
Udo, where have you been?
What is she doing here?
I don't know.
Udonna, why have you refused to talk to me after the embarrassment you gave me?
Don't want to have anything to do with a lunatic and a drug addict like you. Get out.
Out.
Get out!
Please. Get out! Please, don't do that. You want to be queen. I will deal with you. Low budget rubbish. Low budget queen. Okay.
It's okay. She's nobody, okay? She's nobody, I promise.
You don't need to worry about her.
Did I not instruct you people to inform me whenever you see my daughter moving out from this compound? Did I not?
Apologies, my queen. I didn't know she was leaving when I saw her walk out of the gate.
Can you imagine? You are stupid. Hear yourself. You didn't know she was leaving when you saw her leaving. Dummy.
We're sorry, my queen.
You, go and check who is at the gate and return here at once.
She's a drug addict. Oh, she's a drug addict. She's haunted. Very strange. She's a drug addict. Blind, blind.
Now will you get up and go back to your duty post?
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Malecha. Come, my darling. What is it? Stop crying and talk to me.
I've seen Udonna.
Oh, wait. Is he okay?
He's fine. He's in his mistress' place at Amelu community. Zara is also there.
It's alright. It's alright. I hate to see you shed tears. Calm down. I'll be back. Iwe must hear this.
Are you mad? It's yours.
Come on, get that!
What do you want? Say what brings you to my house and leave this place.
Ozinaka, why do you get angry whenever you see me? Why? The woman you trusted so much, she has finally disappointed you.
Thank you for the information. Please, can you leave my house?
Ozinaka, what is wrong with you? What exactly is wrong with you? Why are you fooling yourself?
Very. Thank you for the information. Thank you very much. But for your information, mercy is mine and mine alone in this village. If you like, laugh and I don't care. That's your own business.
Ozinaka, you sound like a fool. A very big fool. Mercy is yours and yours forever. As I speak to you right now, that young man is in our house with his sister. And you are here daydreaming. Come on, dream on. Dream on. No problem. Just hold on, let me finish while I'm here. Just hold on. I can see that you don't want to be useful to yourself. I have tried.
since you do not appreciate me, no problem. I will go, but this will be the last time you will ever set your eyes on me again. Nonsense.
The last thing I will do is to allow any man marry Mmas in this village. I will not. Over my dead body will I allow any man marry Mmas in this village. It will not happen. It will not. Whether the mother likes it or not, I must fight for my love.
Hello, CP. Oh yes, this is Ubah. I have emergency in my palace now. Please, could you send your men? 10 minutes time. That's all right. Thank you.
What did he say?
He's on his way to his office. He said 10 minutes time. I'll call him now.
Right. Did you hear that? Stop crying. Everything will be alright.
My queen, you needed to have seen how Udona and Zara embarrassed me in the presence of that poor smelling girl and her mother.
I will arrest that girl and her mom. They will pay for the embarrassment I got here 2 days ago.
Nobody will embarrass you again. Not even my children or those poor people.
Once the police arrive, you and my wife go with them.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Who gave her the guts to kidnap you?
I don't know. I have settled everything I had with her.
I know it's not going to be easy. What are you going to do about it?
I'm taking him as my children home.
You what? And you think your parents will accept that?
No, I don't care. I don't care how they are going to react to it. I just want to let them know that I have someone else in my life. That's all. I don't care.
Oh, it's okay. But whichever way you choose to go about it, just know that your parents. Just take it easy with them, okay?
Alright, if they had... Zara is home. Hello, Zara. What? Calm down and talk to me. What's the problem? When? Okay. I'll be there right now. I'm coming.
What is the problem?
I don't know. Zara is crying over the phone.
Crying?
Yeah. I have to run along, bro. See you later.
All right. Drive carefully, you.
Yeah, sure.
Take it easy.
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
I don't know. Mother came here with Lucy and with some policemen and arrested Masinachi and her mother.
Why?
I don't... Mother said his father that instructed them to do so. I don't know.
Why should your father send some policemen here to come and arrest my sister and her daughter? Why?
Uncle, please, I'm sorry. My sister is just telling me now.
Are you telling me you are sorry?
No, like, I'm sorry for what my father did.
Well, so you are the prince. And you have been hiding it away from us, Abi. Please, Biko, Nayo. Go now to the station and release my sister and her daughter. Before hunger will finish me here, you can see that my trouser is falling down.
Oh, no, that will not be a problem. I'll release them right away so you can eat.
Please, Monso, Biko.
Oh, for the meantime, please, if you can hold up with this, at least get something and eat before I bring them back.
Oh, someone.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, we have got that.
Oh, you don't want me to bail them in?
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, If I hear go, let it continue to come. Please, go quick, go quick, go quick. Hey! Just come on, okay? Kita kan never the iron asu, kan na iron asu, putar. Hold on. Putar, putar piye putar. Jebe. Esse não mata dalo. Muna get better.
My daughter has told me everything.
Exactly why I'm here, for you to help me warn your daughter to leave me alone. I am done with her. I'm not part of whatever agreement you had with my father.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind, Chief. There is no way I will marry a drug addict as my wife. She will ruin the future of this kingdom when I become the king.
See, Prince, we can talk things over.
There's nothing to talk about, Chief. With all due respect, help me tell your daughter to leave me alone. I am done. As a matter of fact, I have found a new love. Please.
We can talk it over.
You still don't get the point. I am done with your daughter, sir. Thank you.
My prince, please, do not do this. Please don't do this to me. Whoever told you that I'm a drug addict is an enemy of progress.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you want me to play the video for you?
Huh?
No, let me play the video. I have just told your father, stay away from me. Last warning. Last warning.
My prince!
It will be bad to slap you in front of your father. Try me one more time.
My prince, let me explain. Please.
Have you not seen it? He has found out who you are. Did I not warn you, Lucy? Now you have to face the consequences of your action. Nonsense.
Nkoli has given him the video she told me about. She thinks I will let her ruin my life. Never. Thank you for a job well done.
Well, Lucy, I don't know what you're talking about, if you excuse me.
You're going nowhere. I said you're going nowhere.
And who's going to stop me?
Okay. Okay. They move.
Lucy, off my way.
Okay.
Hey!
Please. Please. Please don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
This is not the road to our community. Where are you taking us to?
To our house.
Your house?
Yes.
Why your house?
My father said he wants to see you both.
Your father?
Yes, my father. Don't worry, he's a nice man, okay? You don't need to be scared. Come on, don't worry.
Why does he want to see us?
I don't know. But he wants to see you. He's a nice man, don't worry. Okay? Come on.